Hi everyone, my name is Charbel Khneisser. I'm the Vice President Solution Engineering handling Europe, Middle East and Africa at Riverbed. Yeah, so this year we're focusing on the theme of enhancing end user experience through unified observability and application acceleration. And that came from the fact of a survey that we recently launched where we found out that people are really looking forward from employees or customers into really how their digital experience interaction comes through enterprises or any service they drive in an organization. Yeah, so that's a very good question. And you know, lately we have been always talking about the buzzword, digital transformation, digital experience, etc. Well, the fact is that this is coming from the concept where the core DNA of humans is more digital today. We look for to do every transaction using mobile or internet, and we have less looking into branch transaction, which is a legacy way of doing things. Now, if you take that, these transactions are the core function of any business today. And it's becoming a money-generating revenue. So IT is more like an IT revenue-generating department rather than a cost-generating department. If you take that concept, we need organizations are looking into how can we protect our revenue stream? How can we be more competitive in the market by grabbing more market share? In order for you to do this, you need to differentiate yourself with this digital service that you offer. When you start giving more digital services, when you want to start creating more market shares, containing your services and making sure the experience of the user when they bank, for example, as banks through you, if you're talking about financial sector, if you talk about government sector, citizens, how their citizen experience is, you need a solution that can really drive the capability to monitor all the domains of a transaction, whether from a network perspective, whether from infrastructure, whether from an application, whether it's the end user component itself. And this is where it comes on how we can unify all these domains into one, and that's where it comes unified observability. And observability is not only about pinpointing problems, but rather helping those organizations in question be able to become more preventive, detect incidents before they happen, and give them the actions they need to fix problems before they create a service interruption. So going back to what I mentioned before from the impact of digital experience on money-generating revenue. So based on the surveys that we have launched across the region, we found out that Gen Z and Gen Millennium are stating that they're one of the main important facts or factors in them choosing an organization to deal with or to work with is the digital experience they provide. On the other hand, from an IT department perspective and CIO's level perspective, they see that they are in a problematic situation where they fear losing 50% of their talent if they are providing poor performance or poor experience for their users. So if you take those two metrics that we have identified out of the survey, there is one priority technology is being put in place. One of these top priority technology is to provide or have in place a digital experience monitoring tool which is going to help the IT departments, CIOs and CTOs and even the revenue officers in an organization protect the investments they have done on the talents and at the same time protect the customer experience to make sure they can remain competitive and contain the brand value and the brand image in the market. Yeah, so since everything is going more into user from anywhere, right, or data anywhere, this is like the concept of future of X. If you take that concept future of X, we want to do things differently in today's world. And when you want to start doing things differently, this is where you need to cope on the location of users. You need to always adapt and put the user or the consumer at the core of everything you do. In Riverbed, we're moving forward more into providing our customers an open suite. This open suite will give them the leverage of flexibility to be able to contain and protect any investments they have done from observability perspective in today's journey, but at the same time scale in the future to correlate all these domains together into one through Riverbed Alluvio IQ platform, which is like the automation and remediation and self-healing capabilities. On the other hand, since the users are located anywhere, with our breakthrough technology, innovative technology which is launching by early next year, we're going to be able to start monitoring the network performance and impact from the user using Alluvio agent whenever they are located and whenever they are present.